Good morning from Bandung, but today we go to Pangalengan. Parking is parkir di atas, yeah? Okay. Oh, nice. And she's the owner of the dog, maybe. Ini anjing kamu?
Iya.
Ini anjing kamu? Tidak. Yeah. He said yes, she said no.
Mister, mau selfie dulu ya?
Oke, ayo
iya,
bos.
Siap.
Ayo.
1, 2, 3.
Oke, mantap. Ya, Hatu nuwun, Pak.
Sami-sami.
Yeah. Fifth? This is, wait, what is, 1 second. Ticket parkir camping motor?
Yeah.
No. This one, parkir. Tidak mau camping.
Tiket parkirnya habis, diganti kayak ini. Tiket wisatanya habis. Pakai ini dulu. Tiket wisatanya sama 10.000.
This is a...
pakai ini dulu, makanya ini di
Okay.
set gitu.
Okay, this is a ticket for... Okay, makasih Pak.
Mister,
Okay.
di sini lagi ya. Ini itu taruh parkir aja sana.
Okay.
Iya.
Yeah. Okay. Sampai jumpa. So apparently the parking tickets, the visiting tickets are sold out. That's why he gave me a camping ticket for the same price. We arrived finally, and this one means, yeah, it can be slippery. Watch your steps, otherwise you will fall down and lose your phone. Wow, so beautiful.
Ya, susu tuh.
Huh? Susu?
Yeah.
Enak sekali. I like this one.
Yes, mantap.
Mantap sekali.
Ya.
Suka juga?
Suka.
Yeah? Enak. Dan suka Indomie?
Suka.
Yeah. I give to you. Or there trash somewhere.
Sini dulu foto.
Ayo.
Yes.
Kita ambil selfie.
Iya.
Yes. You've almost arrived. This is the lake. I have one question for you guys. One question for you guys. This is Papao. And you hear that he sells it, yeah? For how long do they play it, the recording? Let's say he works here for 8 hours. Will they play it non-stop every day? Is it like this usually? Papao. Papao panas, papao. Murah sekarang ayo. Beli papao murah. Just paid my entrance fee 5,000 and now we can check out the lake. Drinks, snacks. Halo Ibu. Mau keliling. Ya, mau jalan-jalan keliling ya. Selamat datang, wisata. Yeah, welcome to some tourist attractions or something. Eco Park Family Adventure. What is this? Panorama Eco Park Family Adventure. Yeah, maybe I find my new family today, and then we can do an adventure together. Chili. They have green chili, or maybe they turn red later. Some red chili over there. Maybe they are mixed. Maybe it will be just a red and a green chili. I don't know. Someone behind me, but he doesn't want to overtake. Maybe he wants.